stickers and instructions. And then the shifter itself. Another shift cable, pigtail, and brackets, all for a Mustang. So well, I finally got my precision performance shifter in, and they sent me the wrong shift cable, which is kind of sucks, but it's not the end of the world. We just had to move our shifter forward, so we don't have it mounted all the way yet. As you can see, it originally mounts on back here with these two, and then the fronts would bolt in up here. But we threw it in last weekend just to make a pass or two. But I figured I would show you guys how the Transbrake worked, because I looked at a lot of videos, and I mean, I didn't really see anything. So you get out over here to first gear, just like so, and you hold down on your top button and pull your handle. That engages your Transbrake. When you want to release, you just let go and then bump, bump. So that's it. Hopefully we get our new shift cable in time so we can go get it mounted where it's supposed to and race it. We got our line lock button, which we still have not got hooked up, but either way.